We'll guide you through how to fix a missing Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11 or 10 on a PC or laptop. This is annoying as it may not fully function. What you need to do is press search of your computer and go and type in device manager to go and find the option network adapters and press the arrow to the left to expand it. Now you want to go and locate your Wi-Fi driver, right click on it, make sure that it says disable device, meaning that it's enabled. Then you can press update device and press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list. Go and make sure you find the best driver here. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, note down the name here and open up a web browser and you can go and search for it. See if you can come across the driver. By searching it, just this I couldn't, but what I did was search my motherboard make and model and I can then come to the site. This applies as I'm using the Wi-Fi built into it. I can press support at the top, come to driver, select LAN drivers, and I can then go and find the AMD Wi-Fi drivers. I can download them to the right. You can select them and press extract. Come into the folder and I can then go and run the MSI setup here. Leave a like if you found this useful.